Hello viewer, we are going to make the designs, explore the further shapes. So we will use the shape here. So we are going to try the designs here. Also make the changes there. Using that structure here.